This is my ultimate minimalist desk setup for creating content. And I don't do this full time. I use two monitors. One's a 4K monitor that's 32 inches, but it's a Samsung monitor that's 4K. I use that to look at my edits while I'm editing. And I use my MacBook Pro 16-inch. Is the M1, and it's probably the lowest version you could get, but it handles everything amazingly. I use a Logitech MX Master 2 that I probably had for 6 or 7 years. Like, this thing is so old. I have this microphone I do most of my voiceovers with. I used to think I needed more tech to be productive, but at the end of the day, this is a pretty simple setup. If I'm thinking, I'll just squeeze this little orange donut, but this is where the content creation efficiency comes in. It's my Notion, and in my Notion, I manage every single video that's going on, from the planning straight all the way to the editing, to the filming, to the thumbnail. Absolutely everything goes in this Notion template, and it's free. I could tag the ideas by topic, status, date filmed, the type of video that it is, and a whole lot of other custom things that you could even add yourself. I'm going to be creating a Notion template that you can download in the link in the description. Plus, it's not gonna cost you anything, so you can just go and grab it for free. I have a little light stand right here where if I am shooting a video, as I am right now, I have this portable hard drive, 4 terabytes, that is almost full from all the videos over the past couple of years. And yeah, these drawers with pens, pencils, and extra cables and stuff. Plus, I use a Sony a7 III to film these videos, as you're seeing right now. I also use the newer CM28 mics, and I got this little camera bag and this little tripod. I think the tripod's from Small Rig, honestly, but I know it's bent a little bit because it fell. Still works though. But if you want to see how I plan 2 months of content in one sitting using this workflow, click this video right here. I'll show you exactly how I did it and how you can too. See you there.